first thing that I want to talk about, your aluminum foil selection. I recommend heavy duty. Why?
Tell me why.
Because heavy duty is going to help trap in the heat and the moisture that you want inside of your foil dinner to be able to cook it and not release the steam. Some of you may be wondering which side of the aluminum foil should be on the outside. The more shiny side or the dull side. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It's going to function exactly the same. Science is the same material on either side.
It's science.